Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if your Snapchat messages are not showing up or the Snapchat chat not showing any messages in your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do if you're having this problem is to simply restart your device. So yes, I know it sounds silly, but yes, the chances are high at the issue you're currently facing is just a restart away from getting fixed. So restart your device and see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, move on to the next workaround, which is to update your Snapchat. So what you need to do here is to tap into your Play Store, and then in here just simply type in Snapchat or search in Snapchat into the search bar. After that, tap into the Snapchat, and then if update is available, just simply tap the update button and wait for it to be completely installed and downloaded into your device. So after doing that, just check again your Snapchat and see if the problem is resolved. But if the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is simply reinstall the Snapchat. So reinstalling an application is one of the best ways by which you can fix a majority of the bugs and glitches that occur in any application. So the same is the case with Snapchat. So just make a fresh restart or fresh start by reinstalling Snapchat. The probability is pretty high that reinstalling Snapchat would have fixed the issue. However, if you're still facing it, what you can do lastly, so this is the most a simple thing that you can do, is to head into your settings. So after going into your settings, just go into your apps. Right here, go to the apps. So tap I'm so sorry, that's this wrong manage app, and then in here just simply type in Snapchat. So just like so, tap into the Snapchat and then head in to the storage of the Snapchat from here, and then simply tap the clear data. So clear also the cache. So clear cache and then tap OK. And then that's it. That should fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.